first thing we're going to want to do is take the HDMI cable and hook it up to whatever you want to stream or whatever you're trying to capture. For me, it's my Switch again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to pretty much plug the HDMI cable right into that bad boy right there. It's going to be male to female connection. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And yeah. Now, as you can see, it's hooked up. Got the Switch hooked up to this. Now I am going to use the extender and plug in the USB to USB pretty much, and this is going to go directly into the computer. As you can see, it's looking good. It's extended. The USB attachments are correctly in place. Nothing's loose. Everything's tight. Now we're going to go ahead and attach it to the computer. And since I'm not going to be doing a lot of capturing, I'm just going to keep it in the front panel up here so I can easily unplug and replug it back in whenever I want. Of course, I'm probably going to change that, but just for now, I'm going to leave it up here. And so now what we have is the HDMI is now streaming to this capture card, which we are going to go into OBS. For me, that's what I'm using, which I will teach you here now to do, and get that up and running with audio so you can actually tap into the audio coming from here so you can split the audio channel without having to do anything else. That seems crazy. So yeah. Stay tuned, and the video next will show you exactly what to do in the settings within OBS. But for as far as physical connections and setting up wires, which you need to do, that is everything. And yeah.